Hello, welcome, and today I'm going to show you how to add blocks to your Moodle site as a manager. Well, first, go to the manager practice area, turn editing on, and then we have this block which says add a block, and there's a drop down menu, and we can add various different kinds of blocks. For example, activities. Activities has a forums activity here, and if we go into the settings, configure activities block, we can decide where to put it. It'll appear over here. This is a navigation block with my courses, participants, grades, instructions, and so on. So I'm just going to show you a few blocks that you can add. Blog menu, blog tags, calendar, it's quite like a calendar, and I think I'm going to move that. We don't need to use this where this block appears. It's a default setting. And I'm going to put it in the footer, and that will now appear down here. Okay, I'll add in some comments for the students. Latest announcements to keep them on track. Some news. Online users is always interesting. Search forums. Upcoming events. And maybe I'll move some of these around just to balance the site a little bit. Maybe I want to add in a portfolio as well for the students to upload their files to. I'll put this on and down the bottom. Okay, now that was my tutorial. Now the last thing that I'd like to show you is to delete these blocks so that for the next person that's going to try this activity, it's a nice, clean, clear dashboard for them. And just similar to that. Okay, thank you very much.